Green energy is a type of energy that comes from natural sources like sunlight, wind, water, and heat from the earth. These sources are clean and do not harm the environment. They are different from fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, which release harmful gases into the air when used. Green energy is also called renewable energy because it does not run out. Sunlight and wind are available every day, and they can be used again and again to make electricity. Solar energy is one of the most common forms of green energy. It comes from the sun. When sunlight hits solar panels, it creates electricity. These panels are often placed on the rooftops of houses and buildings. Large solar farms also exist, where hundreds of panels are used to produce power for cities. Solar energy is useful in places with a lot of sunshine. It does not produce smoke or harmful gases, so it is very good for the environment. Wind energy is another popular form of green energy. It uses wind turbines, which are tall machines with blades. When the wind blows, it turns the blades. This movement creates electricity. Wind turbines are usually placed in open fields or on hills where there is a lot of wind. Some wind farms are even built in the sea. Wind energy is clean and can help reduce the use of coal or oil. It is an important part of the green energy movement. Water can also be used to create electricity. This is called hydroelectric power. It works by using the flow of water in rivers or dams. When water moves through a dam, it turns turbines, which then produce electricity. Hydroelectric power has been used for many years. It is a reliable source of green energy, especially in countries with large rivers. However, building dams can sometimes affect animals and people who live nearby. Geothermal energy comes from the heat under the surface of the earth. In some places, the ground is very hot just a few kilometers below. This heat can be used to make steam, which turns turbines to generate electricity. Geothermal energy is not available everywhere, but it is a powerful and clean source where it can be used. It works all the time, day and night, and does not depend on weather conditions. Another type of green energy is biomass. Biomass energy comes from plants and organic waste. When these materials are burned, they release energy that can be used for heating or making electricity. Biomass is renewable because new plants can be grown, and waste is always being produced. However, it must be used carefully because burning biomass can still produce some air pollution if not managed properly. Green energy is becoming more important as the world faces problems like climate change and pollution. Using energy from the sun, wind, water, and the earth can help reduce harmful gases and create a better future. It also helps countries become less dependent on oil and gas. Many governments and companies are now investing in green energy technologies to support clean power and protect the planet.